In this video, we're going to go through what you get in the box when you purchase a brand new R-Tech P31 Plasma Cutter. We'll start by mentioning that plasma cutters are cost-effective, time-saving machines which do away the need for cutting discs. And because of this, we believe that they're an essential in any workshop. The first thing you'll see when you open the box is the owner's manual. Now this is filled with some handy information on how to get the machine set up, and also contains a troubleshooting guide should you run into any issues. Now don't worry if you lose this, as we have downloadable copies available on the website. Next up, we have the machine. Once you've removed this from the box and taken off all of the protective packaging, we ask you to give it a good once over to make sure you're happy with it. All of the plasma cutters in the R-Tech range come pre-installed with an air pressure regulator. Not only do these stop moisture from entering the machine, but they're also used to set the air pressure. But more on that in our setup video. Next up, we have the accessories box, and inside here you'll find everything you need to get the machine up and running. First up, we have this lightweight and robust plasma torch, which pairs perfectly well with the P31C. The cable length on it is an incredible 4.5 meters, which means there should be no restrictions getting around whatever it is you're trying to cut. Now when you first get your hands on this torch, you may notice a little bit of use on the cutting tip. Don't be alarmed by this, as we test all of the machines before they leave us. Next up, we have the earth lead. Again, very reliable and provides a strong clamp to your workpiece. Now these earth leads are actually rated to a higher amperage than what the machine can output, so it should last you quite a while. You will also receive a free pack of consumables. And inside this pack you will find extra cutting tips, electrodes, shield cups and swirl rings. Now when the time comes to order more consumables, we've made it nice and easy for you. We've put all of the part numbers and the description on the top of the machine. Now that wraps up everything you get in the box when you purchase a P31C Plasma Cutter. As you can see, you've got everything in the box to get you cutting. All you need to do is attach your airline, plug the machine in, and you're ready to go. Now if you have any questions on this plasma cutter or any of the machines in the R-Tech range, feel free to give us a call, visit our website or come into our trade counter. We offer free demos on all of the machines in the R-Tech range, and more information of this can be found on the website.